Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of automotive engineering. Ever wondered what a throttle body is and how it works? Well, you're in luck. Let's get started. A throttle body is a butterfly valve used to regulate how much air can go into the engine. It is located between the air cleaner and the intake manifold of the engine. Modern cars typically use electronic throttle bodies, also known as drive-by-wire systems. When you press the accelerator, the engine control unit, or ECU, sends a signal to an electric motor in the throttle body. This motor adjusts the throttle plate, allowing more or less air to enter the engine. The ECU ensures the perfect balance of air and fuel for optimal combustion. This not only helps in smooth acceleration but also improves fuel efficiency and emissions. A faulty throttle body may cause carbon deposits in it and power loss through an imbalance of airflow. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short-distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim engine code scanner by clicking link at the description link below. Many throttle body problems can be fixed with a simple cleaning. Carbon buildup can restrict airflow, so using a throttle body cleaner and a soft cloth can help restore performance. Just be sure to follow your vehicle's manual for proper cleaning steps. And there you have it. The throttle body plays a crucial role in how your car responds to acceleration. Keeping it clean and well maintained can help improve performance and fuel efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips.